Hey friends, if you encounter the error, no connections are available in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. The first is to restart your router. Simply restart your router and check if it connects to your system right. The second one is to change the power management settings. Now I'll tell you how to do that. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the first network adapter and select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the box associated with Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK. Then right click on it and select Update Drivers. Search automatically for drivers. If this doesn't work, then right click on it and select Uninstall device. Click on Action and scan for hardware changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.